Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and assembly of this Livarno Living Basel bedside table. Contemporary design, open compartment, fit with a floor-friendly furniture glides. The dimensions are 37, 55 and 40 centimeters. Scan here for a product video, but stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this product and how to assemble it. 3 years warranty, made in Germany. Some of the specs: shaker style drawer with sturdy metal rails, metal handles, scratch resistant and easy care melamine resin coating, high quality fittings, easy to assemble, and that we are going to find out together how to assemble it. Okay, let's open it to find out what we have inside. I can say very well tied everything, not to damage the furniture, the material. And inside we've got the manual, of course. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, I'm going to find out all about this product, how to assemble it. Ooh, many screws. You just love that. The rails, too. Now let's take out all the screws that we need. Now, first I will start with this drawer. We need to install here and here these two screws by hand, off with the electric screwdriver, it is your choice. Same and from the other side. Nice. Now I'm going to install these two. This part, it needs to be outside of the drawer. The hole goes here. Just push it, press it, and it will go all the way inside. Nice. Align it with this. Next, the same, and for that goes here. Nice. Next, you need this thin wood. It will go down to the drawer. Slide it, and it will fit very well. And then the back. This, it will go inside here. But before, you need to find the screws that you want to install here. You need to find these 4 plastics. It is like a screw. You can see they will go here. You need just to press it inside. Then you need to find the holes. And that goes all the way. Same in here. Turn it around. And the other. Nice. Now, here we will insert 2 of these, the smaller ones, because we've got a bigger. It is for other purpose. Let's install that here. Find a manual screwdriver. And just turn it and lock it. Same for the other side. Nice. Now the drawer is being assembled. Next we have this metallic handle here. Cut it. Go there. We need these 2 screws. And as you can see, they go here. Now we have finished the drawer. Let's go to the other. Now we need these two parts of wood. It is side by side, and we will install these small woods here. Just press it gently, go all the way inside. Same on for the other part. And now we need these 4 screws, 2 here and 2 here. I'm going to install them at the outside of the wood to this hole and to this hole. Same here. And same to the other wood. Outside. Now, let's take out the rails. And you need these 4 screws, and to install it here. And you need to use the 3rd hole here and install it. Slide it, and the same, it will go to the last hole. I have made a mistake. You need to install it facing the other side. Slowly. Same, and to the other piece of wood. Like this, the second one. 3rd hole again, and we start from the outside at this hole. This is the right installation. Slide it and just find the other hole. And now you can see 3rd hole, and here it is the only hole that you need to use is the first one. Now I'm going to take this wood, it will go to the middle here, and we need to install these 4 small woods. Here and here, by hand or with a hammer. And on the other side. Now we need to install the feet. Take them out. Our plastic. We don't need for now these 2 woods. Now there is another 2 woods here. This is, it will go to the base, and this one with a hole in the middle, this hole in the middle, it is the upper wood. Leave it here, and in the end we are going to install it. Now we need this. We will install the foots here, the feet here. And we need to measure 1 centimeter by this side and 1 centimeter by this side. Next we will take these screws, 8 screws. We need 2 screws to each feet. All the way inside. Just to be very precise in each corner. And then we can screw . And that was the installation of the fit. Perfect. Now, after we install the fit, we need these 2 4 screws and installing at the outside of the wood. Nice. Leave it here. Take the upper wood and install the other 4 screws to the outside of the wood. Now, after finishing that, leave it. We need to take these 2, the middle, this wood, and we are going to install them here. These 2 holes, they are going off this side, down of the drawer, and it's very easy. Just press it. Remember, this is the good side. It will need to go from the outside. And just press it very well. And next, you need to take the upper side, and just like that, you need to install it here. And again, press it, and it will go all the way in. Now next, we take the wood with a fit, and I'm going to install it here. And again, just press it inside, or let the gravity do the work. Just press it very hard. Go all the way in. Nice. And don't forget, at the back we need to install this small thickness of wood, and it will go here. I'll turn it around again, and we need to install the upper side. Again, this will go here, and again, just find the right position and press them all the way in. And now we need to install all this, starting here. Let's leave it here, just like that. I'm going to install them out here. There are too many, but we need to install them to be more steady. I will go anywhere. Now let me show you. I'm talking about this, and all the way here, and the same here, as you can see. And we need to screw them very well down there. Tight enough. And now at the back you need to install these 2 plastics, not to making this noise. You can install them. If you want, you can screw them. I will leave it just like that. And same here. And we've gotten these plastics. You can put them there to hide all the screws very well. Now I'm going to install the drawer. Take this out. We've got here a screw, a hole for the screw, and another one here. Let's take this inside. Try to slide them. and find the position to screw it here, and from inside use these small screws. And there it is. Same, and from the other side. Put the screw inside here. And we're good to go. Well guys, that was the installation of this bedside table. Well, I hope it was very helpful, my video how to assemble it. And as you can see, it fits very nice. The drawer, you can put your own stuff inside, whatever you need, whatever you have. You can put here your laptop or your smart devices, your tablet, your phone, and up here you can leave other things that you have. A clock, an alarm, whatever is suitable for you. And it costs about 30 euros. And if you need it, just buy it. It is your choice. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like or dislike my video is your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.